Hi, I'm Dr. Brianne Hartley, and it is an incredible honor to accept the Driver of Innovative Service and Implementation Award on behalf of UNIFI Autism Care. This recognition truly means so much to us, not only because of what it represents, but because of the mission and purpose it reaffirms. At UNIFI, we are driven by one central belief: that every single individual with autism deserves access to high quality, compassionate, and forward-thinking care across their lifespan. As President and Chief Clinical Officer, I have the privilege of working alongside an extraordinary team that brings this belief to life every day. Our clinical model emphasizes whole person outcomes, and UNIFI is proud to lead with heart, with science, and with purpose. We founded UNIFI with the vision of doing things differently, of uniting clinical excellence with operational innovation to serve children and families in ways that are meaningful, accessible, and lasting. Our programs are deeply rooted in the values outlined in Indiana's comprehensive state plan for individuals with autism spectrum disorders, particularly the goals of increasing access to evidence-based services, enhancing quality of life, and empowering individuals and families through collaborative care. This award affirms that innovation in autism services is not only possible, but really necessary. And when we put our patients first, progress absolutely follows. Thank you for this incredible recognition, and thank you to every family, clinician, and community partner who makes our mission possible.
This is Mike with Lakeshore Learning Materials, and I wanted to provide a quick note on our experience and joy of working with UNIFI Autism over the last few months. I had the pleasure of meeting Dr. Steve Marin several months ago, and he was gracious enough to walk me through ABA and autism service provider history over the last 30 years, where it's been, where it is now, and where he believes it's going. This work and his efforts are extended right through UNIFI and how they approach interdisciplinary care for children with autism. This is an exciting step forward for the ABA and autism service provider space. We're incredibly optimistic about the work they're going to do in Evansville, subsequently in the rest of Indiana, and we hope that their model is a model that is spread across the U.S. as an approach to improve patient outcomes and improve the autism service provider space. Thank you so much for including us, and best of luck in your efforts.
Hi there, my name is Chelsea Neville, and I am a member of the UNIFI Autism Care Team. I am proud to be a part of UNIFI's vision, and on behalf of UNIFI, I want to say we are honored to receive the Driver of Innovative Service and Implementation Award. I am incredibly passionate about what UNIFI stands for, and I could go on and on about the positive impact we have had in our autism community. To put it simply, UNIFI cares. We stand true to our values, including compassion, acceptance, reliability, and effectiveness. With proper resources and collaboration, we not only give individuals a voice in one way or another, we hear it and we honor it. That right there is a huge part of our success. A quick example of a positive impact we have had is something I'm currently a part of. Following our values, we have brought together 3 individuals for the summer. When UNIFI stepped in, these individuals spent anywhere from 30 minutes to just a few hours in a school setting, never a full day, and some even secluded from other peers. With UNIFI's team collaboration, these individuals are now not only spending full days together, they're learning how to socially interact. They're laughing together. They're communicating in their own ways, and they're making great memories. We are helping change their lives in a positive way while providing them the tools they need to continue to do so on their own. It is amazing and heartwarming to have such a positive impact in this community. We believe in what we are doing, and we at UNIFI thank you for believing in us as well.
Hello, everyone. My name is Stephanie Dilly-Huggins, and I currently serve as the Director of Clinical Integration for UNIFI Autism Care. I first want to say what an honor it is to have received the DISI Award through the Indiana Interagency Autism Coordinating Council. The word innovation in the title of this award is what initially drew me to come serve at UNIFI. I've had the pleasure of serving individuals on the autism spectrum and their families for over 14 years now, and the terrain of our field in behavioral health has changed so much over the last decade. The one thing that continued to come up in my personal practice over and over again is what could we, on the autism care side, do to better support our patients and their families? And then I found UNIFI. Their values of care, compassion, acceptance, reliability, and effectiveness initially drew me in, but the work being done to become a true member of our patients' health resource communities has very quickly become innovative and groundbreaking. My professional journey in autism care is also deeply personal, for as autism has impacted my own family. I have a deaf autistic uncle and nephew who I see facing ongoing challenges in finding providers that are not only knowledgeable about their care, but are willing to collaborate with and other professionals to improve outcomes for them. Here at UNIFI, we are setting a standard for others in the field of behavioral health for what it means to truly collaborate with and work alongside other healthcare providers, which in turn will have a broader, more positive, and more substantial impact for the amazing patients we are serving and their families. The families of Indiana deserve to have a provider that sees the bigger picture and is willing to design a community of support around them to help their child reach their full potential. It is such an honor to work alongside this team here at UNIFI, who shows up each day with a passion to change the lens of what autism care looks like. Even though UNIFI has only been in existence a brief time, the outcomes we are seeing with our patients from working alongside members of their health resource community has been incredible. From working with a neurologist at Riley to design desensitization programming to help a patient complete an upcoming appointment, to working alongside a primary care physician to reduce the likelihood of a young patient having to go on statins, we know sky's the limit on what we can do to help our patients achieve. Thank you so much again for this great honor.